cPanel is the control panel of the web hosting account. It is a software for maintaining everything of the website, so you will experience complete freedom. Developer of this awesome system is cPanel LLC. This corporation is American. Website owners are getting easy to use interface because of this company. In other words, their graphical interface makes everything simple. Automatic tools are making all the things dynamic for site content owners. You will get world-class support from their end, so you will be able to get exceptional experience with your online content. Technology partners including WordPress also trust them. That is because of their tools and industry-leading features. It is now more than 20 years since they are serving. Moreover, they are leading the industry for more than 20 years now. Thousands of web hosting providers are using cPanel nowadays. Number is increasing day by day. Site owners are growing their business content using this software. This company is using proprietary license. Original authors of this software are VDI, Speed Hosting, WebGing and cPanel LLC. Perl is the original writing language of this program.